Hello, kindergarten distance learners. This is Mr. Van Zant, your art teacher. Last time I saw you, we talked about warm colors. Warm colors are different shades of red, orange, and yellow. Now today we're going to talk about cool colors. Cool colors are different shades of blue, purple, and green. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a blank piece of paper, and we are going to use our cool colors, and we're going to use white. And what we're going to do is make some patterns on our paper. Simple patterns. So I can make a green line and some green circles. And then maybe I'll make a purple line. And maybe I'll make some purple rectangles. Now I can make a blue line. And maybe I'll make some blue zigzag lines. Now I'm going to go back to the green, and we'll start our pattern over to finish out the page. I'll make a green line and some green circles. You see, patterns are things that repeat themselves over and over again. A pattern can be with colors. We could go green, purple, blue, green, purple, blue. We can also go circle, rectangle, zigzag line. So we're going to make patterns using colors and lines. Here's my purple line and some purple rectangles. And now I'm going to make some blue zigzags. I'll make my blue line over here on the edge. We're just doing some simple patterns, and this is going to be a background for our lily pads. This will be the water for the lily pad garden. Now, I did tell you we could use some white crayon. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some lines in here. Now, I don't think Mr. Van Zant is crazy because I'm using white crayon on white paper and you can't see. I know this looks crazy, but when you press down hard with crayon and we use watery paint or watercolor paint with lots of water in it, we can make designs pop through the paint because the paint will not stick to the crayon. So even though you don't see the white crayon right now, it's kind of like magic. And I'll show you in 1 second. Okay. Now what I did was I had some blue paint, some tempera paint, and I added water to it. You can get someone at home to help you with this. If you have watercolor paint trays, you can use those, but you need to keep adding a lot of water to it. You want the paint very watery. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint over the entire page with blue paint that's been watered down. And what's going to happen is the paint will not stick to the crayon because you press down so hard, but it will stick to the paper. And already I can see that white crayon popping through in some of these zigzag lines. And we're going to paint the entire page. The last time we were painting those coffee filters using our warm colors, and this next class we'll be painting these water backgrounds to attach our lily pads to, and then we're going to take the coffee filters and attach them to the lily pads. And we'll be doing all that for our next lesson, but here at school we only have 40 minutes for each class, and I don't see the classes but every 6 days, so I'm trying to keep you guys at home on the same pace as our classes here. And that's actually been very helpful. Okay, almost done here. And I'm painting the whole page. I'm leaving no white spaces, and you can see the white crayon popping through. That's pretty cool. You don't want to leave any puddles on your paper because the puddles will just soak into the paper and make it very, very weak, and the paper might fall apart on you, which you don't want that to happen. So I'm painting, painting, painting. And I just have one little section down here. And that is it. Now, during this class period here at school, we're going to put these away where they can dry, and then the next time we'll be putting our lily pads together. Have a great time with this, and send any pictures of your progress. Take care.